Shit, you were flipping out.
Oh my gosh. I forgot I was supposed to push them in before I came.
That was funny.
I need a cigarette.
You poor thing. We're so gangster. Is it gonna dry the car too?
Mm-hmm.
Awesomeness.
Not all the way, but it
Yeah. Oh, I love this song.
It's not the song you think it is.
Oh, it's remixed?
John Young.
Huh?
John Young.
Just gotta listen to my mom, but I keep on hitting the right back.
Oh, they made it rap.
The whole CD is John Young's rap.
Oh. I still see where you wrote bitch on your window. Still there. I think
Wait, what?
It says bitch right here.
I didn't write that. One of my friends did. Fucking horse.
I noticed that the last time I was with you, whenever we went to Walmart with that one girl, I noticed it. It said bitch. I was like, okay.
I'm gonna find out who did that. There's something there. How am I supposed to get out?
Oh,
My car's too short for this.